I wake up early. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go to work. I go to work. I come home at night. I come home at night. I come home at night. I watch TV. I watch TV. I watch TV. I go to bed. I go to bed. I go to bed. My name is Habib. My name is Habib. My name is Habib. I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. I am 22 years old. I am 22 years old. I am 22 years old. I am a student. I am a student. I am a student. I like reading books. I like reading books. I like reading books. My favorite color is white. My favorite color is white. My favorite color is white. I live in Dhaka. I live in Dhaka. I live in Dhaka. I have one brother. I have one brother. I have one brother. I love my family. I love my family. I love my family. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.